Good morning, and thank you for tuning into our channel. What makes a good PC technician? We'll discuss that and more today. Knowing what to look for in a professional while searching for computer repair or maintenance is essential. You'll learn what to look for in the best computer service and how to identify the finest one in this video. Relax and take a seat, we're about to begin. Acquired wisdom and discernment. The ability to solve problems is essential, but a top-notch PC technician also has to be an expert in their field. As such, they need to be proficient in a wide variety of computer hardware and software, as well as quick and effective at troubleshooting and resolving issues. Excellence in customer service and professionalism. Excellent professionalism and customer service skills are hallmarks of a highly competent PC technician. They need to be approachable and patient, as well as knowledgeable enough to explain complex concerns clearly. They ought to be dedicated to your complete satisfaction and willing to go the additional mile to achieve this goal. A focus on specifics. An excellent PC technician will inspect the system thoroughly and fix or maintain it with care. Additionally, they should take their time and do a good job. Current with the state of the art in the technological realm. A competent PC technician should be familiar with modern computer systems and be equipped to repair them. Just prices and open lines of contact. An excellent PC technician will not hide charges and will be straightforward about what those fees will get you. These are the most important traits of a successful computer technician. Never forget that if you want your computer fixed properly, you need to choose a professional that has the skills, experience, and knowledge to accomplish the task. And don't be shy about checking reviews and references before committing to anything. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure to look at the rest of our computer maintenance and repair videos and let us know if you have any questions or ideas for future videos.